Yo, what's up, guys? Outside right now. Kansas City. Oh my gosh, I got this thing. Oh, this is wild. Snow all over. Maybe I'll get both cars started. But that one can open. That door can open, but that one can't. So that's how we're able to start this one. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Yeah, have like, how much snow do you have again? 10 inches. So yeah, look at that beast. Oh my god. So let me see what I look like. Hey guys. Yeah. Oh. See, it's me. Home games. What's this? What's this? Hey guys, this is a satisfaction video. It is actually very satisfying, oh my god. Alright, well, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep you guys updated. Peace out, guys. One thing.